Well, hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Tara, luto tayo.
La 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 la. Chopping veggies on the board, tears do fall, it's onions.
So today we are gonna cook adobong baboy or pork adobo. It's the national dish in our country. Kasi everywhere you go, if it's adobo, you know it's Pinoy. So tara, luto tayo. So start natin sa oil. Pag luto na yung onions, lalagay mo na yung pork. Five tablespoons ng toyo. 3 tablespoons ng oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon ng seasoning. Lagyan ko ng magic sarap, mga 1 teaspoon. One tablespoon ng sugar. So, add natin yung 3 tablespoon na suka. So, lagay na natin yung dahon ng laurel. Tara, tikman na natin. Malambot na. Tapos ang sarap ng taba na may kasamang laman. Sakto lang. Masarap. Please like, share, and subscribe dito sa page namin. And shout out to Dolly Sunga and Reggie Padilla Tabio. Tapos, please comment down below kung saan na nakarating itong video namin para malaman naman namin kung taga saan kayo. Thank you for watching!